And it's now time for our new Sunday feature, Query This with Natalia Clark.
Officer,
can I have a vehicle document?
Officer, that is not a lawful reason to stop me.
Can I have a vehicle document?
If you order me, officer, this can be quick and we can go.
And can you step outside the vehicle and me have a search of the vehicle as well?
Oh, you want to search a vehicle?
Yes.
For what?
Searching for illegal drugs.
Yes.
Arm.
Yes. Can I turn off the engine?
Yeah, you can switch off the engine.
Step out of the vehicle. All right. So you're going to you want to search my vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Oh, and you want to see my documents?
Along with the vehicle documents.
And again, are you willing to understand that that's not a lawful reason to stop me?
It's entirely possible you've been pulled over by the police while driving or as a passenger in a vehicle. This scenario is quite common and can happen for various reasons, such as traffic violations, routine checks, suspicion of criminal activity, or safety concerns. Apart from the inconvenience of stopping, especially if you are pressed for time, you may wonder what your rights are if and when this happens. Can an officer demand to search your vehicle? Can they physically search you? How about your property? And can you be arrested for refusing to comply? Natalia Clark, and this week we query this with former policeman turned attorney Donovan Collins.
The police should have a reason, and not just a normal reason. They must have reasonable suspicion to believe that you're either carrying a weapon, an illegal gun in the vehicle, or you have stolen items in there, or dangerous drugs. So there are several legislation, including the Jamaica Constabulary Force Act, which gives the police the power to stop and search.
So it can't just be a random stop?
No, not at all.
I'm just checking every third vehicle to see if I can find a gun, find some weed, find something. They have to have a probable cause for stopping your vehicle and searching your vehicle.
That is so.
He explains, same should be applied if the police wish to search your person or enter and search your property. Without probable cause, reasonable suspicion, or permission, a warrant should be produced.
You should read that warrant, and if possible, take a picture of the warrant. Most times, the complaint is that the police came, licked on your door, them not show them no warrant. But at a later date, a warrant is presented and the police is saying that they actually had a warrant and they showed a warrant. Now I know from my previous occupation of being a member of the Jamaica Constabulary that most times the police don't show any warrant.
In those cases, he cautions, comply and then complain.
But what would be good is if persons can have a discrete recording device that can capture the proceedings, so that if it is that your rights are really breached, then you can now institute a claim against the state.
And how about if something illegal was found from an unlawful search? Can you still be prosecuted?
Even if there is an unlawful search, once something is recovered, then you can go to prison for that still in this jurisdiction.
The attorney, who frequently tackles matters of this nature, says the prevalence of this may be due to the police's desperate need to clamp down on crime. He argues, however, that all parties must be deliberate in knowing and upholding the Constitution of Jamaica. Do you have a legal question? Meeting up on roadblocks when dealing with state agencies? How about issues with a neighbor? Feeling like you're not sure how to handle them? That's when you send me a note at nclark@cvmtv.com to say, query this. I'm Natalia Clark, helping you to get the facts and to be in the know.
Now to Small Biz, Big Dreams with Andrew Lately.
This is Lashana Watkin, a young trailblazer making waves in the beauty industry with her innovative skincare business, Lepigenics Cosmetics. Fueled by a passion for skincare and a fierce determination to chart her own path, Lashana's entrepreneurial spirit has propelled her from a humble student to a budding beauty mogul, inspiring others along the way.
We offer a wide range of skincare, body care essentials like scrubs, moisturizer, body butter, serums to enhance your skin, to enhance the confidence that you have while eliminating skin issues like acne, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and so forth.
Lashana's foray into the world of cosmetics was driven by a desire to break free from the confines of a traditional 9-to-5 job.
Growing up, I have flawless skin. I've never had an acne breakout, so people always come up to me like, oh, what do you use on your face? Like, I need your secrets and stuff. So that just motivated me to pursue the skincare path. I'm not interested in a 9-to-5. So, starting my own company and solving issues that persons have just pushed the idea forward.
She diligently saved every penny she could spare, investing in essential items and laying the groundwork for Lepigenics Cosmetics one step at a time.
I didn't really have a set startup capital. It's just any little funds that I got, I just put it towards purchasing like containers or raw ingredients and stuff like that.
She created a line of skincare products that reflected her commitment to natural ingredients and holistic wellness.
I'm growing aloe vera in my garden right now. If not, I source them from farmers or purchase them online. Since we're like 2 years now, it's a lot of trial and error. So I have my sisters who are guinea pigs or test subjects, as they like to call it. So finding the right portion of like say sugar to oil ratio or any additive products, so I eyeball it at first, and then depending on the results that I get, I either add ingredients or take out ingredients.
But it hasn't been a bed of roses for the young entrepreneur.
Monetary issues, that's the big one because I'm a student, I don't work. The second one is consistency because I have to focus on school, focus on business and personal issues. It's kind of hard to balance everything at once.
Looking towards the future, Lashana envisions a world where Lepigenics Cosmetics stands as a beacon of natural beauty and empowerment.
I'm thinking of improving the product line, so more products like facial cleansers, gels, and stuff like that, as well as finding new platforms to promote the business as well, to, get my place on the market, because this is a big business in the making.